What are we doing today? Alright, today I am going to start my day off walking the dogs, and then we're going to get ready to go to the x-ray at like 1 o'clock maybe. We might go earlier. I'll see what she wants to do when I get out there and walk with her. She gonna walk the dogs with me. It is a nice day today, and hopefully we can get some Popeyes today. I want to give them a second chance to see what's going on, what's up. Maybe just try a different location, because the last location that we went to, it wasn't that good. I need some melanated people to be in that kitchen cooking that chicken, because this is the second Popeyes that I've went to, and they just wasn't getting it popping in there. So we're gonna see about another location. Maybe one out there where we're about to go. So we about to be taking the bus. Maybe we should leave earlier, because we don't want to have a full day doing all this extra stuff. If we leave later, we'll probably be home at like 6. And ain't nobody trying to do that, because I just turned my refrigerator on and I don't want it to drain my battery. So let's get this day started. Alright, let me get them ready. First we'll do the pumpkin. Come on, pumpkin. Paw. Sit down, pumpkin. Paw. Give me your paw. Good boy. Good boy. Zuri's turn. Stop it, Zuri. Sit still. Zuri. What the hell are you picking up my shoes money for? Stop it. No playing. No licking. Stop moving. Nah. All done with that. Let me text her. Trail right now. I think it's nice. I really like to see it on a rainy day, because it collects water in there. Let's see if she finds anything today, because she is the hunter. She actually hunts better than her brother. Okay, she be doing the most, knowing she ain't supposed to go that far. Alright, she's down there somewhere. There she is. There's the Zuzu. Hi, little girl. enjoying it, huh? Yes, you are. All this rain and nothing in there. Oh, he is not having it. He's like, we are waiting here way too long. At least they cleaned up all their trash. I mean, they do a pretty good job. Cross street, Pumpy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. I let them know. Oh. She's eating over my shoe. God, I'm so thankful I have them. I look at them and get so happy. Very grateful. Really precious. They would have no clue if anything happened. She wouldn't know any better. Him either. Alright, we plan to go see if I can get how nice this is. Yes. There's chemtrails. I think the chemtrails cleared up the clouds. So the minute they just started dumping that stuff, it started clearing out. But we are going to we're going to another one? That's this way. That's not. It is. You're going to a different one. Are you? It's Bano? Oh, it is Bano. I'm confused. Alright, let's go. Yeah. There's the bus too. Man. Screwed up. What the hell are we doing? Oh my goodness. So we're supposed to be going down that way. It is the bus. Run, Forrest. The hell we're running. It's gonna have to wait. Alright. Animal shelter. We're gonna reroute, go the right direction because this didn't make no sense. I'm thinking we're going to the doctor after she already told me what we're going to be doing. Thank you. I'm trying to figure out why the 162 to go up that way. Okay, so that makes sense. Alright. We'll check back in on that. We done missed this doggone movie. We need our AMC back. We really do.
Yeah. So disappointed. I really wanted to see that.
And
Hustle, Slim, and Clean.
we're right by a nice theater.
So sad. I don't have no money to do it.
We're by a nice theater, the, what's it called? The Town Center. What the heck is it called? A Town Center 8 up here in Stillmar. We're right down the street from it. Well, not down the street. We're not too far from the thing, dang it. And we could be enjoying that. And especially with the spot that we're in right now, like it's a spot where, you know, it's comfortable enough to leave. I need to get this on camera because this is hideous.
Oh, I just don't like the shape, but I like the paint.
That is a weird shape.
Red. It's cute.
My goodness. What is going on with these booties? It's hideous. My gosh.
And she saw you. Oh, turn that off. Get that off.
I ain't got no time for that.
I can't believe you. Stop that.
better not screw us over. She left with 8 minutes on the clock to go to Ralph's. I hope she can walk that fast and walk back. She did that last time when we went up there to the Chatsworth station. And I said on camera, I'm like, you better not get a ticket. And she just ended up getting a ticket. When I said specifically, we gotta ask, I had routine for the map, and she just ended up buying like a $9 ticket, and then she couldn't get a refund for it and still hasn't used it. I think she said she threw the ticket away, and the bus was right there, right on the other side. Just as we passed, we figured that out, that the bus was literally on the other side. But she didn't want to wait, so she ended up taking an Uber. We'll see, because this bus might come early. Well, there we go. She is back already. Well, let's give her a round of applause. I've never seen a city that has so much towing. It's like a tow truck every block, every second. This thing is probably going to Copart. Sold by your favorite insurance company. They're like, you're gonna pay for these monthly bills, but I'm gonna take your car and make 50 times the profit. I'm gonna take the car from you and also take the title, and you're gonna get nothing. That's why that whole thing is a scam. People like that though. I'm telling you, they line up. I'm not about to be having none of that in my life. We gonna split this profit, okay? Because you got people paying extra when they actually use the insurance. Penalizing them when they use it. What's the point of the insurance then?
Ooh, that's close. Oh, that's right by Nice Airport.
The Bob Hope.
Are you ready for the thing? Oh, you can.
Here we go again. I gotta check the directions because we are not paying attention. And now we're off the bus. We could have literally missed this stop and kept going and never known.
It said Tyrone.
It did not. That's such a lie.
Let me show you.
Then you don't make no sense because it's literally right down the street here. You're gonna get off on the street over there. There's no bus going on no Tyrone.
It said you better.
Alright, well, we're gonna take this bus right across the street over here, the 744. Hopefully this thing don't come.
I'm gonna try the Dash bus.
Tumbleweed.
What?
744. This is just hideous. And they only do this in the hood. They don't never do this to other areas. People are trifling. Can't even move for her.
Oh gosh, where did it go? Let me find it. Yeah, just cancel it. I don't have it.
Oh, you're screwing up. You didn't hear what I said then.
I can't talk to you and talk
Just,
to you at the same
you're
time.
making decisions without the...
I'm not going back up. I don't have money like that. $5 just to get up there for both of us.
It's not $5. Animal shelter, here we are. He looked just like his dog. The fake news is here. Alright. Hopefully we find it when we get back and then you can uncancel it. Look at that little Dorito head.
Do you know what Dr. Kelly do it? No.
Alright, I have to pee.
Oh my God.
I'll be in the bathroom. Ain't nothing cute about no cat. There's two.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, there is two. Oh, it's more than two. I guess the other one was adopted. Yeah, definitely adopted. Thing is not cute. Scooter. Hey, Scoot. You're in the pound now. And she didn't want your doo-doo self.
You're back.
Wow. I hope somebody adopts them because then they're going to have mental problems.
They're only 2 months.
Or keep them together.
Oh, pups. Spunk will not like them pups.
Y'all don't sound nothing like Zuri and Pumpkin.
Oh, look at the faces.
Hi. I don't want to stop you guys from playing. Hi. Hi.
Pups.
You guys razor sharp teeth biting each other. They're quiet. Yeah, I got good dogs. Hi, you got a biscuit head.
Would you want one?
No, absolutely not.
I'm talking about if you didn't have Dookie.
No. It is taking a dump in the food. This cat is really going in on its food. Oh my goodness.
That's a lot.
Oh, it stank.
How are they gonna eat? Let me tell. I gotta tell them. Because then they won't eat.
They will. They'll just move it. You know how cats are. They're disgusting. You had all that space. I thought cats knew where to pee and poop.
There's nothing in there.
There is. It's stuff in the back. It's a whole thing. They're just doing the spunk. No, it's more than that. They just been moving it. No, because you doo-dooed. No, you don't make all those noise after you doo-dooed. You ruined the food and you got complaints. Yeah, settle down. I can't believe your musty butts. And then now you go in there. So you know where to go. I'm done with you.
Hey, this message is from
I'm done with you. Why would you do that?
I know it's super last minute. I was just wondering if you had any availability to come out and work today.
I'm so done.
Available 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. But you're more than welcome to
No.
use any combination of
Hell no.
if you're available.
No, you ruined
One of
it.
my employees was rushed by ambulance to the hospital, so she just can't make it in. Give me a call or shoot me a text message, Mark.
This is what y'all do. You need potty training. Because this is not good. And then you don't know how to wipe. I'm so done with. Oh, you put your foot in it too. Oh my gosh. I'm done with you. I'm so tired of y'all. Because you're so cute. With your big eyes and then not cute at the same time. We never seen you guys with clips and stuff in the hair, huh? And dyed tails. And then you back there got a little bow on the head. Y'all got bows on the head and y'all trying to be cute? Trying to be cute, huh? That's where Panda got her cherry eye fixed in Los Feliz. And she also got her back cut open and sampled.
Okay, thanks, Sarah.
You can't tell me someone isn't standing here trying to see what's going on in there. 'Cause you can literally see the toilet. You can see someone sitting on the toilet. You can't tell me they didn't think that through. That's foul. That is foul. That doesn't make no sense. Only in the hood. Just in the hood. Place. Only a little bit of yellowing in the tree. Talk about fall. Barely anything. Wonder Pets, we're on our way. Dun, 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 dun. Save the day. Dinosaurs, first moon landing, and wreath. The wreath? No. Flowers. Flags.
I like the flowers. Yeah, I'm gonna take flowers.
Only in the hood. They just destroy everything. And then they wonder why they live like this. take the 165 that's coming in a minute. We're gonna take it to Popeyes and hopefully there's not a line in there. The ratings say that their sandwich is really good and it's actually spicy. This is specifically the spicy chicken sandwich, and people were like, this ain't gonna be my last sandwich. I'm definitely coming back for another one. So hopefully this is some good hope. They got a good crew today because that thing better be good, because even people who said that they've had other sandwiches anywhere, they say that this is the best out of all the other chicken sandwiches that they've had. So this thing better be A1, because it's taking all day for us to do anything, and then we could have just went home. That's if this thing is messy. So hopefully it don't disappoint, because don't nobody want to be out here doing everything when we could be doing nothing and just go back home and enjoy the rest of the time. It's like Wednesday or something.
It's Thursday.
Oh my gosh, it's Thursday already? I'm disappointed. Okay, let me cook. I need to cook before Friday. Because I know how I be getting. I be the Sabbath roll up and I don't be ready for it. Well, I do be ready for it, but I keep forgetting to cook. So I just end up fasting that day. Anyway, talking about 6 minutes for this thing to come. Should be coming in like less than 6 minutes. That was like 2 minutes ago, more than 2 minutes ago. Oh, we'll see. Hopefully my battery's charged. I know I got space on this thing because I want to get some footage of that sandwich. It looked like he waved to come.
Yeah, he waved.
Alright. We're on the #1 bus ride. We're on the best bus ride. Make sure you always look for the little tidbits. All right now, there it is. There you go, that's the good answer. You got everything? Alright. Alright. Now it's just a hop, skip, and a jump. Look at that. It has eat better things.
And it's huge.
Yes, and nobody's in there. Oh, now it is. Yeah, now it is. They might just be standing up. Oh, no, they're waiting.
That hate delivering. Oh, thank God I don't do that anymore.
Yep. Hop, skip, and a jump, baby. What do you want to go there first? To the place? Dang, there's too many kids. Alright, I lied. When we went up there, it was a lot of people. There's a lot of kids in there. So now we're in this dump shot. We're in this dump shot. Trying to get some stuff done. For Kraft cheese. Oh, buy high. Ain't nobody got time for that. 99. Baby parts. Alright. That line ain't gonna die down. Too many of them in there. It just irritates me that I be trying to tell my own folks about the commandments, and they be the first ones that don't want to hear it. But as soon as a white man says keep the commandments, only in the hood. Man, this is a hot mess. They might have cameras up in here. This is scary. Dang, are you serious? Y'all? Are you serious? I am so done. That has not been cleaned. There is literally dookie on the wall. And I'm standing in pee with another piece of dookie. I'm done with this. That is just horrible. I don't have time. Okay, like how I was saying, so I was telling this lady that the Most High don't like pork. And she's like, I know. Like, she's just telling me I know. And she's happy about getting the pork. And I'm telling her that he's gonna be coming for folks with pork. But if I tell an outsider that, they will listen. It's something about our people, they don't want to listen unless if a heathen tells them, or if the white man tells them. The white man tells them, they're going to be like, oh, okay, I'm not going to go ahead and do that. Any doctrine from them, they're okay with it. They're not going to think twice, they're just going to go ahead and do it. So, that's kind of irritating, because she's spending good money putting that mess into her body, eating that nasty mess, and then she's okay with it. I don't know, our folks just don't, it's something about when it's your own people telling you, they don't want to listen. They just hate hearing it from their own people. They'll take it more serious when a white man says it. For example, if the Most High says the Sabbath day is on Saturday, well, Friday sundown to Saturday sundown, they're gonna say, no, I'm not about to be doing that. But when the white man says that, take your take your days off on a Monday and Tuesday, whatever. So people are gonna be happy about their Monday and their Tuesday off, and they're not gonna get upset. They won't complain at all. They're gonna be very happy about those days off. But as soon as the Most High makes a commandment about it, now it's something to complain about. Why would you not be happy about having a holy day off? That doesn't make any sense. That's no logic at all. But I'm telling you, as soon as it's a heathen outsider of another nation saying something, they're like, oh, okay. Yeah, that's cool. I got time for it. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to schedule everything in on those days. They're just going to be like a new breed of people. I don't know, that don't make no sense. I'm simply just giving somebody a warning and they're just hating on it. The hell, I don't know, you tell one of them to do it, they definitely do it with gladness. And they know they ain't supposed to be in that mess.
Want some Spam pie?
Yeah, it's cheap. Ugh, this stuff is horrible. Get it? No? Okay. I'll shut up. Alright, we're done. We're back over here. I made 4 cents going in there. There was 3 cents under that coin machine. That coin star machine. And then 1 cent by the change dispenser. And I got some receipts. So, making money while you go. They always got that, yeah, they got that fat slop in there. Alright, we're we're back over here. Yeah, it's just never, it's too many kids. They don't have nothing else to do. It's just way too much. Yes. They got a whole thing right there. I ain't never in my life. What is that? Italian stuff. Okay.
253.
I'm in this batch. She gonna get a sweet tea and that crap on cheese. I don't want all that. I ain't trying to mess around with that. Let's see, how much is that alone? Actually, I'm gonna do it. Get a biscuit. I think that's something I can do. I think so. If I can cop the value of their biscuits, I think so. It's not that bad of a weight either. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're not going to be playing with me. Oh yeah. That's right. Popeyes, you are definitely giving back to the community. Looks like the only difference is that sauce. One's mayonnaise and one is like mixed. They don't look different. Look like they already got it ready.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna sit right here. Let's see if we can get us in the thing. Excuse me.
My wife wants them, so I'm not
No, that's it. Thank you.
Better not ask me for a bite. Don't ask me for a bite.
Where's the freaking spoon?
I forgot. I think you gotta grab that yourself. Alright, this is a redo. This better be good. One of these, we're gonna have a talk about this. Macaroni and cheese. Let's see, 80 cents. Let me do the math on it. Because that doesn't make sense. She should have gave me the value of the side. Here. Jeez. Alright. I'm disappointed. This is one.
No, they should have given me this.
Where's the honey? This is a regular, this is the good regular biscuit that I used to get.
They need to give you honey or something.
Yeah, I'll get that later. The hell with that.
Macaroni and cheese.
I'm waiting for you. Are you serious? Look at this. is focus on the wrong thing. Just focus on the burger. That's the only important thing right now. Look at this mess. That's what you give people? A little spritz of that? You can't be serious.
It says mine like that.
Yours is better than that. I want extra sauce on it.
Might be dry.
Yeah. She said it's alright. I need more sauce on this thing. That's all the sauce she gave me on the whole sandwich.
Okay, this location is sucking right now.
Yeah, they're really trash. And there's too many people. I'm going up there. I can't handle this. I need satisfaction.
Stop the video.
And the mess is trash.
I want extra sauce too.
It's spicy sauce, but it ain't.
That's the way you do it.
Yeah. Okay, well she wasn't lying.
What?
That's how they do it.
Yeah, she's lying.
Alright. Who's is who's? Because I know you've been into yours.
Yeah. Mine.
This is. I don't want to touch it.
Oh wow.
Got all kind of. Alright, we just.
You have critters. On your hands.
I don't know what that is. You screwed up. Here, this is
No.
both violated.
Just eat it. You violated
I
me.
should have waited for you to pull it out.
Alright, let's see.
We got extra sauce on this.
And
she
pickles?
really put the pickles on it. Okay.
Extra pickles.
They can't see it. But that is definitely a lot.
My wok sandwich.
They can't, you see?
Yeah, this is in the way. Move this bush out the way.
Is that mine? Wait, why
Mine.
you put it all the way over
This is mine. Hell with
And
it.
that wasn't my fault. That was
Okay. I need this bush to focus. Focus on the sandwich. Look at that. Extra pickles this time.
That looks like a cracker sandwich.
And then there's a pickle underneath. That's this batter is better.
185. 185. 185.
And the meat is smaller at this location. That's alright, it's chicken.
What the heck was this hype about? I need black people to really stop with this.
No, this ain't it. That's not it.
I'm done with black folks. I'm never listening to them again.
Good. Good.
So clearly the hype is just not where it's at.
No.
This was overhyped. This is not good like that. And I think too, they already had a bunch of sandwiches already pre-prepared. Like 80 sandwiches just thrown up on the top. Where it's labeled mild, like regular and then spicy.
This is spicy?
Yes. The sauce is spicy. Because
I'm
it's
done.
definitely not. The batter is kind of spicy. If you eat it alone, it's kind of spicy, but it's not like that. And it's not even hot like the other location. Like it's warm. That's why you don't pay for nothing.
Well, you don't listen to black people.
Don't listen and don't pay. I didn't pay for nothing.
Oh my god.
I got my honey and butter though. Funny honey. Honey sauce. Yeah,
It's okay.
this was actually worse than before. Oh my gosh, nobody's ever had a chicken sandwich before. Because y'all extra. Y'all really extra.
I'm gonna have to go to a black area.
It was better at the other location.
Oh, that's horrible.
That one's out in Silver. This one's out in Reseda. I mean, look at this line. For what? It's just Popeyes. Like y'all never eaten at Popeyes before. I'm telling you, you can really... I think once something becomes trendy and it's not even worthy of being trendy, everybody will jump on that bandwagon. Because people don't think for themselves.
And people are fighting for this?
Yes, people are literally killing people for this stuff. You can really, I don't know.
I'm done.
That pickle is good. Mm-mm.
This is not the business.
I hope the mic can hear you. It's not. Sorry, this was a bust.
Busted and undefeated.
I don't know. People really need to stop.
And then the tea is very, very sweet. Overly sweet.
Yeah, it's literally like you're drinking straight sugar. I put water in mine.
Is it better?
The tea really makes the sandwich better. You know, black people know fried food, so there ain't that many black people in these lines. We got Asians in the lines and all kinds of stuff.
You know the stereotype. Black people love chicken.
Yeah, and fried food. They definitely ain't here.
No. Never again.
That sauce is spicy though.
Oh, yeah.
I think the sauce is spicy to mine, and not the chicken.
That's what I said. The only difference is the sauce.
Well,
The batter is like mildly hot.
I'm disappointed.
It's not even falling off the bone like the other location. I mean, there's no bone. It's not falling off. It ain't falling apart. Dang it. This is a mess. I am done with folks.
I'm done.
Y'all are extra. Y'all too much. You're just lying to yourself. You're convincing yourself that something's good.
No.
Because it's not.
No. Gave them free advertisement for nothing.
And these are people who came from eating Chick-fil-A. I'm sorry, but like, I think Chick-fil-A would be better than this. Not price-wise, because this ain't right. Free advertisement. Free.
Came from a long way.
3 cities over. Yeah, 3 cities over. That was stupid.
I'm disappointed.
And you have salty macaroni. You should have took
Oh,
that
that
back.
was salty.
Take that mess back.
That was just, yeah. No thanks.
The chicken is not juicy. It don't fall apart. It's not tender. Silmar, kudos to you. It is definitely spicy. I'm tasting the spice now in the back of my tongue. I think that's because I bit into a glob earlier. But it was a good glob.
It's alright. I wouldn't recommend it.
Now, if you're just passing by and you want a chicken sandwich, it's good for a chicken sandwich.
I'll
It's
just go
not-
home and make my own.
Yeah, it just...
I'm so disappointed. The whole meal. Even the tea is too sweet.
No. Hell to the no.
No,
I'm officially done.
absolutely not.
That's why I don't mess with trims.
I wasted my $7 on this.
$7+
Yes, almost 8.
That actually almost tastes undercooked.
No, not the business.
Yeah, I'll stick to black folks' fried food. KFC actually tastes better than this. Put a KFC piece of meat and just bring a bun, a sweet roll or something, then you'd be straight. Honey roll, wheat roll, whatever kind of bun you want, bam. Cause y'all out here telling lies.
That's the biggest lie on earth. No.
I think I will believe that Satan is God before I believe that this chicken is good.
This is gross. I'm done. That's not even fun. I need to slap everybody up in here. Shaking my head is all I can do.
Out of all the brutality at the whatever Popeyes, they didn't have security to calm down the hype and just tell them it's not that good.
Whatever.
It's good, but not that good.
I want to know whoever said this was good and fighting over this, y'all need a beat down. Oh, dang. No, absolutely not. This is my first time eating at Popeyes. It'll be the last.
Popeyes is good. It's just not fish.
No, thank you. You don't get a second chance when it comes down to food. You only get one chance with me.
Oh, you need to step up your game, man.
This ain't no biggie, give me one more chance. This is absolutely not happening. Oh.
Man. You want more tea with water in it though?
I want nothing.
Oh, I'm gonna get more tea. It was good with the water. Tasted like regular tea. Actually, part of that bun tasted stale.
You did?
The end part of the bun. Like no, not stale. Like reheated pizza that got cold again after it was microwaved. Alright. That's it for this trash. I'm not, see, I don't like people who lie. Y'all freaking, y'all flat out lie to people.
Call me liars. Why is only our forehead?
Because I don't want to do all this. This is annoying dealing with y'all.
There we go.
Liars. Now I gotta eat this Popeye.
I want y'all to pay me back.
With hate.
I want y'all to pay me back for this. Because you guys lied and had me sitting up in here eating this.
This is an embarrassment to me inviting someone over to eat some freaking Popeyes. So I'm supposed to be top. Like, look at this bush. The machine pressed out 4 of these things and there's nothing in the container. It's a whole cart on the back of the thing. Half of the cart.